Guys, welcome. I hope you have that you had great holidays and that you will have great holidays, and I hope that you have Happy New Year. If I don't see you don't see any of my videos before New Year's Day, which I will have a video about New Year's Day, not about I'm not gonna talk about stocks, just in general about life, and wish you guys Happy New Year's and so on. We'll see. Well, it will be a video that I do every year, but what we're going to talk about in this video is a stock that has a catalyst that's coming up tomorrow. All right, so tomorrow is the day. We're all waiting for it. Whoever invested in it, it could be make or break, I guess, or it could be most likely. It seems like it will be on the positive, and that the investors who are in this stock are going to make money tomorrow. Cal Pharmaceuticals today had an FDA approval. I was actually about 5 minutes ago that just noticed that. But this video is not about Cal Pharmaceuticals. I'm just mentioning it though because the video is about another pharmaceutical company that will have its FDA approval decision tomorrow. If things go well, and it seems like they will, nothing's guaranteed. We don't have insider information, but from the looking at the paperwork that was submitted, looking at everything, it seems that more than likely, I'd say about a 68% chance so far, it seems like it will be approved, right? So let's just look at this real quick and see what's going on, because this possibly could really make people a lot of money. Now, with that being said, you do not invest according to my video. You do not invest according to my opinion. This video is just take it for entertainment purposes. Some parts of it are educational purposes, talking about who the company is, what it is, and what it does, and so on. And my opinion is always just for me. Also, the stock we're going to talk about in this video was mentioned in my Discord already ahead of time. If you want to join my Discord, it's called Bull Market Watch. All right, let's begin with the stock, and later on in the video, I'll show you what Bull Market Watch is all about. All right, first of all, Cal Pharmaceuticals announces FDA approval of IND application for KPI 012 for the treatment of PCED. That was 5 minutes ago, but we'll skip that. Well, it was 392. Now it's actually over 6. It was 635 when I was starting to make this video. What we're going to talk about in this video, though, is Therapeutics Incorporation. Take a symbol TGTX. This is the 5-day chart you're looking at. Nothing pretty. I think last year, if I remember right, they were trading at $40 some, $49. It's now at $7.82. After hours, as I'm doing the video, it says $7.90, up about 8 cents. Really doesn't matter because it does that up and down. It was like at $8.25 during the day today, so it's $7.90 now.
Are you looking for a Discord platform that offers a first-class trading community? That's what you can expect when you join Bull Market Watch. Trading can be challenging for some people, but we're here to simplify the process for you. We have a very powerful track record. Our Discord deals with day trades, swing trades, and long-term trades. Hundreds of traders operate through our Discord, where we come up with stocks to trade for profits on the NASDAQ and NYSE. With a low monthly subscription of $9.90, you will have full access to our Discord, where you can interact with other traders and get all the latest news when it comes to trading as well. It's a community that is extremely supportive of one another and always willing to help each other out. Become a member of Bull Market Watch today and be on your way to a better financial situation.
So the company Therapeutics Incorporation is a commercial stage biopharmaceutical company which focuses on the acquisition, development, and commercialization of novel treatments for B-cell malignancies and autoimmune diseases. Its therapeutic product candidates include ublituximab, if I pronounce it right. I probably killed the word, but that's the one we're going to focus on in this video, which is an investigational glyco-engineered monoclonal antibody for the treatment of B-cell non-Hodgkin lymphoma, chronic lymphocytic leukemia, and relapsing forms of multiple sclerosis, which will be about tomorrow, right? And the world needs this. Actually, if hopefully the FDA will find this positive and give it a green light, Not for investors. I mean, okay, fine, investors. That's where investors were trading stock. I get it. But at the end of the day, we have to be humans, and we have to realize there are people suffering with multiple sclerosis. And if it's not TG Therapeutics, fine, whatever it is, something has to come out and help these people out. So far, TG Therapeutics Incorporation, what they have to offer seems to be extremely positive. It has passed all the tests and all the clinical trials with flying colors, and it seems like it will be very helpful for people with multiple sclerosis. So I hope that there is an FDA approval for this tomorrow. So 782, so far analysts are giving this a buy rating. They do have a low of $4. That's possible if there's no FDA approval tomorrow. The stock could easily fall to it could easily fall to $4 almost in an instant manner. And if the news comes out in pre-market hours, let's say, your stop loss won't even matter, right? So because most apps that I know of, you can't set a stop loss in pre-market. Just in case if anybody wanted to do that from now, and to try to prevent any negative news from the FDA, taking a big hit, let's say. So average is 1791 and a high of 42. If it gets the FDA approval tomorrow, the $17 seems very reasonable to me, that it would go that high from 782 to go to 17, $18. The 42 could also happen with an FDA approval, but most likely throughout 2023, at some point towards the end of 2023, by then that it would hit $42. So TG Therapeutics has an extremely high risk profile, also a very high reward. They did have quite a while ago, I don't remember, I think it was in 2020, a rejection from the FDA, and that made the stock fall. If I remember, it was 2020. So the lead medicine, ublituximab, if I pronounce it right, is going to the FDA. It's already given. Let's say we're basically waiting for the FDA approval or not tomorrow, the FDA decision tomorrow, right? And this is for the treatment for the devastating condition of multiple sclerosis. It's more about the relapse of multiple sclerosis. Now, investing in biotechnology stocks is extremely stressful. If you're constantly focused specifically only on investing in biotechnology stocks, which ultimately comes down to the FDA approval, and that's all you invest only in this sector, I think those investors who focus on that are the ones who have probably the least amount of life expectancy. It's very extremely stressful. It's very stressful to invest just in the biotechnology sector when you're dealing with the FDA approvals, because at the end of the day, you could do whatever you want, you can do all the research you want, and it's all up to the FDA, really. They're the ones who are going to decide the fate of your money, of your investment, really. So it's very. Now let's understand something about multiple sclerosis real quick, science teaching here, let's say, lesson. So it is basically, you have the nerve, right? And the nerve is covered by myelin sheath, and this is your myelin sheath. And when that is damaged and your nerve fiber is exposed, that's pretty much, in a nutshell, multiple sclerosis. But Ubli, so far from TG Therapeutics, has cleared both phase 3, phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 trials with flying colors, has done amazing so far, and that's what leads a lot of people, and including me, to be honest, now this is just my opinion, that it would have to be approved tomorrow. So we're heading into December 28th tomorrow. TG Therapeutics has one last chance, one really good chance to redeem themselves, to go back to that $49-50 that they were trading, I think, back in 2020. That is because their lead candidate has so far proven extremely robust. Now, this is all according to data presented by the company. The FDA might find something we don't know about, right? We'll see. But in my opinion, I think it will be approved tomorrow. This is just my opinion. And if it does, it's very big, because basically, let's say the multiple sclerosis field, let's say, I should say it, or I don't want to say business, but it is a market, let's say. Yeah, let's just say that. The multiple sclerosis market is really, really, sadly, really big. So far, currently about $24 billion market, right? So TG Therapeutics gets accepted here by 2024. Analysts are saying this company could be looking at over $1 billion in revenue, annual revenue. So overall, I think this is huge. The FDA approval tomorrow would be amazing. And this is a stock to watch. I can't tell anybody that it is a buy. Now, like I said, we've been talking about this for quite a while already. In my Discord, for example, ICCM at 90 cents. I talked about it. I did a video. I showed the screenshots in a previous video. At 90 cents, I said in my Discord live, when I was talking with my Discord members, I said that, you know what, that is a buy. And then within 5 minutes, 10 minutes, the ICCM went to $11. MDGL, if I remember right, was another one, or MG deal. I forget the ticker symbol. Either way, that also I showed in another video in the past, the screenshots, wherein I said it was a Sunday. I remember it was a Sunday, and I said to my Discord members that that at 67 bucks tomorrow, Monday, I think it is a buy. And it opened up at 67, then it went to 77 within 2 minutes, then it went back down to 67, 68. So there was plenty of chance to get in. And then that same day, that stock exploded in regular hours, and the next day it had already reached like nearly $290, right? So huge gains, a lot of cool things we talk about on my Discord. We're doing really awesome. It's amazing. And now this one hopefully will just add to those successes that we've had so far this year. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you want to join Bull Market Watch, the link will be in the comment section below. You don't have to if you don't want to. You can just hit the like button on this video, and that's fine, or share the video. I wish you all the best. Happy holidays. If you don't see any of my videos before New Year's, have a happy New Year's day, a healthy one. Let's hope the world in 2023 is healthier, happier. Peace is the greatest thing, one of the greatest things that can occur in 2023. That would be awesome. And I wish you all the best. Take care, everyone.